Let's look at example 6. 26 4/10 is being multiplied by 531 thousandths. We need to ensure that we multiply every digit in the top number by every digit in the bottom number. So I will start by multiplying every digit in the top number by 1. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now we need a placeholder for the next line, so I place a 0 here, and then I'm going to erase the work that I've done so far and grab a new color. I'm finished multiplying by 1, and now I'm multiplying by 3. I'm multiplying all of these digits at the top by 3. So I start by multiplying 4 by 3 and I get 12. So I place a 2 here and carry the 1. Then I multiply the 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 1 gives me 19. I place the 9 here and carry the 1. Then I multiply the 2 times 3, giving me 6, and then I add 1, which gives me 7. And then I'm going to change colors and record 2 placeholders on the third line. And then I'll switch colors again and erase this work. I've already multiplied by the 3, now I'm multiplying by the 5, and I'm multiplying all of these digits at the top by the 5. So I start by multiplying 4 times 5 and I get 20, so I place a 0 here and carry the 2. 6 times 5 gives me 30, plus 2 more gives me 32. So I place a 2 here and then carry the 3. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, plus 3 more gives me 13. And now that I've multiplied these 3 digits by the 5 and the 3 and the 1, I can go ahead and add these numbers together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 plus 0 is 8. 9 and 2 gives us 11. I place a 1 here and carry the 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 more is 10, so I place a 0 here, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 1 plus nothing gives me just 1. Now don't forget to place the decimal. So I go back up here so that I can see the numbers I erase. And then I look at this number. How many decimal places are there? Well, I see 1 digit after the decimal, so that's 1 decimal place. In this number, I see 1, 2, 3 digits to the right of the decimal place, so that's 3 decimal places. Together, that makes 4 decimal places. So now I bring this number down to the bottom. 140,184 has a decimal over here at the right, and we move that decimal 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I went past 4 numbers. And it ends up between the 4 and the 0. I go to my typing tool, I change this to a larger size so we can see it a little bit better, and I type 14.0184. I grab the rectangle to show that this is my answer. So I'm putting a box around my answer. And then I think about if this makes sense. Well, 0.531 is pretty close to 0.5, and 0.5 is equal to a half. So think about it. Half of 26 is about 13, so 14, that makes sense.